Hey guys, Hamlet here from Vodia Networks. Today I'm going to do a quick overview on Let's Encrypt and how to get a certificate from Let's Encrypt by way of API, which is already available on the Vodia PBX for you. So the first thing you need to know is when running the Vodia PBX, you need port 80 to be open on your inbound, and also port 443, since getting a certificate means you will use a HTTPS secure connection. So the first thing you need to do is navigate to your administrator settings, general system, and then under system management DNS address, add your DNS address. For me, it's pbx.audiomercy.com. Audiomercy.com is something I own. So I'm just going to put it here so that when I create in my tenant a new name, for example, I'm going to create a new domain name. I'm just going to call it voice.audiomercy.com. Just going to copy it for testing purposes for myself. My primary DNS address is voice.audiomercy.com, and I'm just going to create. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to my GoDaddy and I'm going to add a record. So simple, just create the A record. The host would be voice, and it points to my PBX, and I'm just going to press save. So now I have created an A record, created my tenant, voice.audiomercy.com. What's going to happen next is that the Vodia PBX is going to create a certificate for you through Let's Encrypt. So to check if your certificate is ready, just navigate to Settings, Security, Certificates. Under Certificates, you will see that my pbx.audiomercy.com has been created, and we will have to wait a few minutes for the stagings to happen so that voice.audiomercy is created. Now, if we navigate to log file, I've already set up the log file for the staging so that I can see what is going on when my certificate is being created. As you can see, it's using my IP and it's creating a DNS record for my voice.audiomercy.com. If I scroll all the way down, it'll say certificate for Voice Audio Mercy has been issued. So next, I'm just going to navigate back to certificates, security, certificates, and then you're going to see that the certificate has been issued to my domain name. These certificates from Let's Encrypt is good for 3 months. You can see here it's going to expire 12/15/2021. What's great about it, the Vodia system will send a restage to Let's Encrypt so that the certificate will be ready for use. Another thing I want to point out, under Administrator, just navigate to Networks and Ports under the HTTP settings. What we want to do is redirect to HTTPS. We want to turn this on, and use DNS name. We want to turn this on as well. Okay, then save. This will be used. The use DNS name will be used so that it can defer also from hackers and bots trying to log in or try to make malicious calls on the Vodia PBX. However, the domain name will not match because it has to be using the domain name from the PBX itself. So that's about it. That's how you set up your Let's Encrypt. You get your certificate as well, as you can see, and the browser will show you also the certificate issued to you. And that's all you need to know about how to set up Let's Encrypt.